In this video, we'll look at a unique AV distribution installation at Silverstar Carwash's headquarters. What's notable is how they can remotely control their distributed video surveillance and conference software throughout their multi-zone system. Let's break it down and dive right into the tech behind the displays. Silverstar headquarters uses MXnet to distribute 4K sources over a secure IP network that is flexible enough to expand at any time. Each source has an encoder unit that transmits AV data to a pre-configured AV network switch. Decoders located behind each sink receive the AV data distributed by the network switch, completing the AV distribution path from source to sink. And finally, an MXnet control box manages the multicast routing, network switch monitoring, and much more with Mentor. Mentor's intuitive design allows for ease of installation and operation. AV distribution is relatively straightforward, but controlling distributed AV sources is not as simple because control signals go back to the sources. For example, the audio and video go from the surveillance system source to the display, and the control device signals go back to the source from the display. In this application, MXnet is distributing a few different sources: security camera software, streaming boxes, and video conference software. The software sources are computers that need a mouse and a keyboard to control. Ordinarily, you would need one mouse and keyboard per computer for control, but this system has multiple computers and might need many devices. In addition, they have a 1x2 video wall for viewing their security footage. Video walls are multiple sinks used as a single large monitor. So, how does a Silverstar employee use one mouse and keyboard for multiple computers and multiple displays at the same time? Usually, a mouse and keyboard can only control one computer, and computers manage the mouse between more than one monitor. MXnet distributes HDMI for high quality and low latency audio and video, but it can also distribute USB for remote source control options. Each decoder acts as a USB hub for USB devices, and each encoder acts as a USB host for the computer. It can also group USB devices and hosts with KVM mouse roaming. With KVM mouse roaming, you can remotely control up to 17 computers with one mouse and keyboard. Now, let's add the video wall into the mix. Each display has a decoder, then MXnet Mentor manages the transition between each decoder as a group, so only one decoder needs the USB devices. Employees at Silverstar headquarters can select and view the remote location they want from one surveillance computer. Then, move across the video wall to another display and computer to choose a separate remote location. Anyone at Silverstar can check in at any location directly from their office. One mouse and keyboard are all you need for multiple computers and multiple displays, even if you go from one computer to the next. By utilizing AV and USB signals through the system, MXnet helps ensure the smooth operation of Silverstar's surveillance and conference equipment. AVPro Edge's technology allows you to design and implement the solutions you need to meet clients' expectations. See what AVPro Edge's solutions can do for you. Thanks for watching.